Hello. In this video, we'll explore creating an analog clock. We'll see how to define the interface using an image for the clock face and line elements for the clock hands. Let's delve into the details of this process and go through each step of creating analog clocks in WinUI application. XAML code defines the interface of an analog clock using an image for the clock face and line elements for the clock hands. Clock face image. This image element defines the clock face image. Source specifies the path to the clock face image. Stretch is set to none to prevent the image from scaling. Horizontal alignment and vertical alignment are set to center to position the clock face in the center of the window. The canvas element is used to position the clock hands. Horizontal alignment and vertical alignment are also set to center to place the hands in the center of the clock face. Line elements represent the clock hands. Each hand has its start and end coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. Stroke defines the color of the hands, and stroke thickness defines their thickness. Circular point in the center of the clock face. The ellipse element is used to display a point in the center of the clock face. Width and height set the size of the point. Fill determines the fill color. The C# code creates analog clocks with a sound effect in the user interface. Let's examine it in detail. Timer and MediaPlayer initialization. A dispatcher timer object is created with a 1-second interval. A MediaPlayer object is created to play the sound effect. The source of the sound file clockticking.mp3 is set for MediaPlayer. Timer start. The timer is started to update the time and play the sound effect. Timer_tick event handler. Called on each timer tick, every second. Calls the update clock method to update the position of the clock hands. Sets the sound effect playback position to the beginning and starts it. Update clock method. Gets the current time. Calculates rotation angles for the clock hands, hours, minutes, and seconds. Sets these angles as properties angle of rotate transform objects used for rotating the hand images. Updates the position of the clock hands on the clock face. The code has a simple structure and includes 3 main functions: initialization, time update, and sound effect playback. And there we have it, wrapping up our exploration of creating analog clocks using XAML and C#. Now you know how to define the interface, initialize the timer and media player, handle timer events, and update the position of the clock hands. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your programming endeavors.